Previously in Florida. After winning it all at the Orlando WorldStrides Festival in Universal Studios, Florida, both the orchestras and choir head to the Walt Disney World Resort to partake in a Disney soundtrack workshop and continue their epic adventure. Today's our first Disney day. We're going to Magic Kingdom and Hollywood Studios. And we're only halfway through the trip, and it feels like the full trip, so I guess that's a good thing. That was fun, right?
Or you may find yourself a permanent resident of Twilight.
After a long, tiring first day at Disney, we finally checked into our hotel, the All-Star Music Resort. As for dinner, most of us planned to stay and eat at the resort, but me, Josh, and Aiden had different ideas. Josh, you ready for Disney Springs? Just to clarify, Disney Springs is the official shopping district at Walt Disney World and is similar to local shopping centers such as the Americano or the Grove. We're in Animal Kingdom.
Animal Kingdom. Say 4? 5?
5?
Oh, it's day. No, day 4.
5.
Day 5.
Yeah.
Day 5.
April 4th.
It feels massive. Look at the island.
That looks sick.
Oh my god. That's so good. I'm dying.
Hollywood's day 2. Day 2.
Yeah, we're going back to Hollywood, but like,
And then again.
there's no shade in Hollywood. Let them see me the good girl, always have to be. First time having the milk. That was it.
Rested on my leg.
Interesting. Interesting.
Skyliner now from Hollywood to Epcot, but we have no idea how this works. Today's our last day at Disney. It's a full day at Epcot. Boys.
Going to Mission Space first.
Mission Space first. On top of today being our last day, it was also the day of our soundtrack workshop. Unfortunately, I don't have any footage because the workshop took place behind the scenes at Epcot. However, what I can do is explain what we did backstage while I showcase all of the fun activities me and my friends did on our final day. Each orchestra was assigned a different time for their workshop. Both premier/string and concert orchestras had already completed theirs the day prior, and the choir completed theirs even earlier. Today, it was symphony orchestra's turn. In the recording room, each of us was given new music to sight read on the spot, ranging from various Disney properties, from Walt Disney Animation itself to Star Wars. After warming up with a couple pieces, we spent the rest of the time focusing on pieces from specific scenes of Beauty and the Beast, Fantasia 2000, and The Lion King. Once we were able to play it somewhat well, we were then recorded on stage. Around half an hour later, the editor was able to create a video, using our recordings and lining them up with the corresponding scenes from each of the movies. Overall, it was surprisingly fun, and all of us had a good time. But the day wasn't over yet. There was still time to make more memories in Epcot on our final day, or in this case, one last ride. Frozen Forever After.
Bro, it's so wet.
I see it's wet too.
So wet.
Look at it.
Here, take it from me.
That's-
This has been Lucas O, reporting for AUSD Today.